If you've ever been out in your yard and heard your heat pump sounding like a bag of gravel in a blender, you know that not all ducted split heat pumps are built for the long haul. I spent years as a nuclear power electrician before I traded the reactors for the dirt and attics of HVAC service. After 17 years in the field, I've seen what works and what just leaves you sweating on a Sunday in July. Today, we're doing a fair apple-to-apple comparison between the KeepRite Ion 18 and the Lennox XP21. These are both premium systems, meaning we're looking at two-stage performance designed for comfort and efficiency. Since these are both ducted units, we have to talk about protection. The Lennox XP21 comes with a louvered coil, which I call superior armor. It's like a suit of armor for your outdoor unit, protecting those fragile fins from hail or a stray rock from a mower. On the flip side, the KeepRite Ion 18 lacks that louvered protection, leaving your coil more vulnerable to the elements. However, both of these systems come equipped with a compressor blanket to keep the noise down and keep your backyard quiet. Looking at the numbers, the KeepRite Ion 18 pulls ahead in the heating department with an HSPF of 8.5, while the Lennox XP21 sits at 8.2. As an electrician, I can tell you that the two-stage compressor technology in both of these units is a game changer for your power bill. Instead of being all on or all off, they can drop down to a lower speed, which reduces electrical surges and provides more consistent dehumidification. It's easier on your electrical panel and much easier on your wallet. Have you ever had a coil fail because of hail or a stray rock from a mower? Tell me your stories below. I've seen some totaled units that would make you cringe. This is where the rubber meets the road. Both brands offer a standard 10-year parts and compressor warranty, but KeepRite wins the no-hassle battle. The Ion 18 comes with a 10-year unit replacement warranty. If that compressor fails within the first decade, they don't just give you a new part. They give you a whole new outdoor unit. Lennox doesn't offer that same no-hassle unit replacement on the XP21. Picking a winner is tough, but I'm going with the KeepRite Ion 18. While the Lennox has better physical coil protection, the KeepRite's higher heating efficiency and that massive 10-year unit replacement warranty mean they actually have your back if the equipment fails. To shop like a pro, head over to the HVAC for Beginners website and use my head-to-head tool to compare over 170 models. Make sure you hit subscribe and like the video. See you on the next one.